Yo, it's ever fade too. It's your boy, Bodhi, the coolest, and I'm back again with another video of fade too. So today's video is quite sad and good, So I don't know how to feel about like today's video. I'm not even going to drive Wagner out today because of these are like, as I said, good news and bad news at the same time. Yeah, here's Wagner, by the way. This rain, but as you can see, the tires are still shine. Just in here, the dust. See, it's just the dust in here. She's all. I keep on saying she, man. He's packed and looking nice, but it's come up, making clean as always, So I forgot to take the car keys. So yeah, as I was saying, today I have like good and bad news at the same time. So let me quickly grab the car keys and then let me quickly grab the car keys. And then I explain to you why I'm saying I have good and bad news. Y'all let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me quickly get in so that y'all can hello. Hear me. It smells so good in here. But for you to as I told you, I'm not going to be driving or taking out the car or washing the car for y'all. So today's video, hey, why are you looking in here, Baba? Hey, how about Lutama? Back now, for you too. So yeah, but for you, today I'll be letting you know someone just made me an offer. It's tempting, but at the same time it's bad, He wants to take Wagner. He seems interested to the car. So I don't know how to feel about it, cause there's a lot I can tell you about this car. I recently fell in love with this car, cause as y'all know, I don't even own this car for like, since when? August. Since August, so I think it was September, October. I think it's almost 2 months or 2 months, So I still had like things to do, cause I had like the inspirations, that I saw here and there, from from Neo on Instagram. The guy is called Neo 5112. He also owns a black Polo TDI, but that one is more. So I wanted to do something similar to that, but to like learn and try. Even though they all know like it's a chain, it's not something I can just, unless if I was a rich boy, I was going to do everything at once. But so they take time, and money also, and a lot of sacrifices, so I was, so yeah, as I was saying, I don't know if I should take the offer or what, so please just let me know in the comment section, or should I take the offer and get something to work on, or should I continue working on Wagner up until and sell him while he's at his best? Because only minor issues here. It's not much that needs to be done. It's just a few things. Who play what else? That left front wheel, I think it needs attention because the entirely one pendile just slightly. And what else? I also need to get a new bumper because I'm not happy with this bumper. And then spray paint the bumper so that the color looks the same, like it looks original. And then what else? What else? What else do I need to change? Okay, and also get tires, Buffy too, cause I've been like wanting to get tires, but soon. If I'm not going to sell it, but if I decide to sell it, oh well. But if I'm not going to sell it, tires, And what else I need? Oh, my dream wheels for this car, Buffy. I think I want ke batla the long beach bafethu, the long beach 16s wrapped in 195, maybe 35 or 40 between the two. I want that. Yeah. And then what else do I need? Oh, and also change the pipe, and that is straight pipe for that. If you know, Buffett. Yeah. So I also need that. And what else do I need to do on this car? And sound, but a basic sound, Buffett, because I don't have any radio, because this wiring, yeah, sound, it's burning my tapes. I put on like 2 tapes here, and then the chain. That means it's like 3 tapes, including the one I got the car with. So I bought another one, and then and I bought another one, So something is wrong with the wiring for sound. Also need that too. What else? I need stickers. 2 months. Stance drops matter. Stance drops. I also need stickers. But yeah, I'll not decide if I'm going to sell the car or not. But if I decide to sell it, then I guess I'll have to find something. But when I find something, I wanted a Jetta 3. Before I got this car, I initially wanted a Jetta 3, and then I got this car, but I want a Jetta 3. So I don't know, man, if I should let go of this and get a Jetta 3, or should I continue with this and forget about Jetta 3, or I'll buy it in the future. So yeah, but just let me know what you think in the comment section. Because I don't know, I'm stuck between, because already I love the car with all my heart, It's hard for y'all, but I might do it for y'all. If y'all say I should sell it, I will. But if you say I should keep it, I might keep it. So let me know what you think, Buffet too. Yeah. Let me just start the car. You see, it's first kick shandies here. We don't. My battery is messed up. As I told you, Buffet. My battery is messed up. You see, when I try to start, it does. So, my battery is messed up. One of the reasons I won't take the car out today, unless if I feel like asking for help from my young brother to like help me push the car so that I can kickstart it. I'm just gonna park the car because I don't really like driving it as of now. Say up until I do on this car, and then yeah. But for now, yeah. But for two, I just wanted to update y'all on that because y'all have been on this journey with me since like day one, So just wanted to quickly let you know about that, and y'all let me know what you think of it too. It's your boy, Cody the coolest man.